Menteri Katanat Pulih Putih ke Jylla, rakam sangma, pen benar bantau ya ke fact finding committee, kaban Peit ya ki bun teli kimat ki bakongsan ha ke Ïadei bat ki Skul jong kani ke Jylla. Kani ke komiti kan satu kit ya ke jing duna ke jing penrung kenteng ya ki kena ki Skul, ke jing don ki nong hikai tok, bat ke jing long jing man jong ki yang Skul. Usangma ula kubur baka jinglong jingman ke Pulih Putih jong kani ke Jylla kam tam haki kerdan lower primary kayak saj bat ke don kam ya ki jing pen bha ki babun ke jing jur ke jing pep school chiteng por bat ke jing bamla ban le bha ki no hikai school kalanang no senyang shu syakin ye ki jing ki jing lap jing syam jong ke komiti kan saya lam neti ha ke ban Thaw ya ki matrekam ki bathamai ban pen bha ya ke Pulih Putih ha Jylla Meghalaya.
I would request every stakeholders, every teachers, every businessman, every students, friends, anybody, be it church leaders, any NGO leaders, just to encourage, not only with the program. I would urge them, I request them to encourage any dropout students to come back to the school. Right now, if you see any beautiful boy and a girl, if she don't know how to write, how to sign, it will be very, very embarrassment to her and to him. So I think education is not only about a job, but it is only about how to learning how to live. So there are many. It's not about the government job. If you educated people knows the way.